Hey guys, watch it again. Ah, you hear the birds? Beautiful, isn't it? So we're on the delivery trail and we have a delivery for one of our favorite customers, Shopaholic. Big time Shopaholic. Every week she at it. And guess what? We love her. We don't want any reform for her. And she's on her way to me. All smiles because she's happy to get her package, right?
Yes, I'm super excited. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good stuff.
Yes.
What are the good things you have to say about us?
Well,
Come closer, come closer.
Okay,
Yes,
closer? Okay.
Yes, yes.
This is my 17th package from you guys. I know.
Say
I'm a shopaholic, guys. I'm sorry.
Good
But
stuff.
I became hooked to Island Shipper from my second shipment. When I realized that I didn't need to talk to anybody, the online platform is there, I get the text alerts to my phone and email. I've never once worried where my package was, and I've just been having them delivered to my house ever since.
Oh, so you like the notifications, knowing exactly what's happening, when it's happening?
Yes, I like the notifications. As a small business owner, it's very important for me to keep updated because my customers, yes, so Island Shipper is helping me to run my business.
Good, what's the name of your business? Put it on blast.
I have many
Put it on blast, this is the time.
Okay, so I make custom rugs. The name of that company is Republic City. And I have a baby company where we sell baby products.
Right.
So I have a few other companies that are starting up. But for the two that I have, the rug business and the baby company, Island Shipper gets me all my hard to get supplies really quickly.
You say baby company like you make babies and put them on.
No, not everything but the baby.
Okay, all right, okay.
Yes.
So what's the name of the company? What are the names?
Okay, so the first company is Heavenly Baby Club.
Look them up, Heavenly Baby Club.
Yes.
And we can find you on Insta?
Yes. And the second one is Republic City. I make custom rugs.
Republic City. She make custom rugs.
Yeah.
I gotta come and look at some of those. All right, good stuff. Good stuff.
Yes.
Well, pleasure doing business with you. We enjoy serving you, and I'll see you next week.
Yeah, for sure. For sure.
All right, have a good one.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. And there you have it, guys. Another shopaholic. We love her. You hear the business? She used her business as a means of running her business. That is how important, right? That is why we say we're a bridge. We connect you to overseas. That is how we do it. From your couch to your doorstep, we got you. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.